Top 5 Electric Griddle. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Griddle. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 electric grill and griddle offers versatile cooking options with 2 reversible, non-stick plates. Use it as a full grill, a full griddle, or a combination of both. Ideal for every meal, it can cook eggs and sausage for breakfast, quesadillas for lunch, and steak for dinner. Powered by 1400 watts, it features 2 independent cooking zones with adjustable temperatures up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The large 180 square inch cooking surface is perfect for family meals. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe, double-sided plates and a top-rack dishwasher-safe drip tray. This appliance provides convenient and efficient cooking for any kitchen. Number 4. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Griddle. The Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle offers a large cooking surface capable of making 8 to 10 eggs at once. Its 1,500-watt heating system ensures efficient cooking, while the cool touch handles and built-in ledge with backstop make pancake flipping easy. The griddle features a unique ceramic non-stick coating that is 8 times more durable and cooks 30% faster than standard coatings. Reinforced with titanium, it provides superior strength and scratch resistance. The healthy eco coating is free from harmful chemicals like lead and cadmium. Bella's kitchen essentials, including this griddle, provide quick and convenient solutions to simplify your life with high-quality, durable appliances. Number 3. Chefman XL Electric Griddle. The Chefman XL Electric Griddle features a big cooking surface, perfect for preparing large meals for a crowd. With adjustable temperature control ranging from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, it accommodates various cooking needs, from warming to searing. The non-stick surface and slide-out drip tray promote healthier cooking by reducing the need for extra oils and collecting excess grease. Cleaning is a breeze as the griddle is fully immersible and dishwasher-safe once the temperature control is removed. Ideal for large family dinners or holiday gatherings, this griddle adds convenient countertop cooking space to your kitchen. Number 2. Deluxe Electric Griddle. The Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle offers a spacious cooking surface, perfect for pancakes, quesadillas, burgers, eggs, and more. Ideal for family meals and entertaining, it features a precise heating probe for optimal temperature control. The PFOA-free, non-stick cooking plate ensures even cooking and is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. A removable, heat-resistant drip tray catches excess grease, simplifying cleanup. Quick and easy to use, it heats up in minutes, making meal prep efficient. Available in trendy colors like aqua, black, gray, and red, it's a great gift for weddings or new homes. Number 1. Presto Electric Griddle. The Presto Electric Griddle offers an extra-large cooking surface perfect for family meals. It features removable handles for easy cleaning and compact storage. The griddle's textured PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface enhances performance and cleaning convenience. The Control Master heat control maintains optimal cooking temperatures automatically. A slide-out drip tray allows for quick cleanups, and the heavy cast aluminum construction ensures durability and warp resistance. Fully immersible with the heat control detached, this griddle is designed for effortless maintenance and longevity. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.